Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the Stanley 145013 Folding Builder's Square. This solid yet lightweight aluminum square is your perfect companion for checking and chalking in shell construction, tiling, and assembling partitions. Measuring an impressive 1200 by 1200 by 1720 millimeters, it delivers precision down to the last millimeter. No more guesswork. This tool ensures your projects are perfectly aligned every time. Durable, portable, and essential for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Stanley 145013 Folding Builder's Square is ready to tackle your toughest building tasks. Get yours today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.